Parole application by convicted murderer Clive Derby Lewis appears to be heading to court once again. That's after the parole board allegedly failed to submit its recommendations as ordered by the North Gauteng High Court in December last year. Derby Lewis, who is said to be terminally ill, is currently serving a life sentence for the murder of the SACP's Chris Hani in 1993. Today was the last day for the SACP and the Hani family to make opposing submissions to the North Gauteng High Court. They allege Derby Lewis has not disclosed all the information at the TRC. Their submissions were to be based on recommendations by the Correctional Services Parole Board. By noon today, the recommendations were not in the party's hands, nor with Derby Lewis's attorney. The SACP says it wants to access the Parole Board's recommendations before handing over its submissions. The SACP says it believes Derby Lewis has no reason to conceal information about the Hani murder.
We have done our work and our papers have been ready to be submitted to the Minister of Justice for consideration in terms of the outcome of the court, which was held in December at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria. However, there is critical information that we need access to, which is very important in our submissions, which we believe without it we might be prejudiced in the process. And our legal team has been engaging with the Department of Justice since this morning on how do we handle that hurdle and move forward.
We have not received anything. It is a serious contravention of the court order, and it's a contempt of court that has been perpetrated, and we intend to bring an application next week against the Minister of Correctional Services for contempt of court.